Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 21 reg Kia Niro hybrid, one owner, very clean car, rear parking sensors, rear camera, alley wheels, privacy glass in the rear, very clean car. Half leather seats, handbook, locking wheel nuts there, all your instruction manuals there, side airbags, Isofix rear seats, electric rear windows, cavernous boot area, luggage compartment cover will come out if you don't want it, and in here it has the inflation kit under there. This is the rear camera, your reversing camera. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well, height adjustable driver seat and passenger seat. Into the vehicle, 12-volt battery reset, traction control, lane departure warning. Adjust your headlights there. If you're loaded you can put them down. This is to open your petrol flap. The car's done 5,548 miles, which is obviously very low. This is your key, flip key, locking buttons there. USB here, USB. This is a charging USB. This is a power outlet there. Automatic. In here you have a USB here, nice little pocket there to store stuff. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides, sunglass holder, Android Auto, there you can just about see, Apple CarPlay, so you've got both those. So we'd use your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay to do your sat nav basically. Dual climate, shows your hybrid use there. So you have a big menu there, menu. This even has the plastic on the button there, but it's not worn off. Climate, you can do everything from here really. Do it from here as well if you wish. On here you have Android Auto, you get voice activation with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You push this button here. Okay. This menu here changes this menu here. All the different settings that you want. All the different Menus there. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Tiptronic over these. Auto wipers. Also has auto lights here. It's obviously quite a nice feature. Reversing camera. Handbrake. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please don't hesitate to call.